Hello everyone, today I want to show you guys this Algae side clarifier. I just opened my pool about a week ago and put bunch of chlorine, and it still didn't do the job. And the pump, it's over there, a 24-inch sand pump. It's constantly running and it still didn't clear. So I just decided to get this. I have best way above ground pool, 32 by 16 feet and 4 feet tall. So I'm gonna dump everything in the pool. You can see I'm just gonna walk around and just dump it inside. So this should take care of it. And once I do that, I will let the pump run continuously and show you guys the after result. As you guys can see right now, the pool is in much better condition and the pump is still running. And you can see right now, we can see everything on the bottom and it is very clear. The algae side clear, everything you can see, it's just cleared up all. I just see some spots on the corner. I just have to brush with the brush, but overall that product did what it promised to do. As you can see, I hope it will help you guys as well. Thank you for watching.